How to fix Telegram connection issues. Telegram won't connect. Here's what to do. First, check your internet connection. Wi-Fi or mobile data should be stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists. Restart your router or phone to refresh the connection. Ensure Telegram is not blocked by your firewall or VPN. Disable VPNs temporarily to test. Clear Telegram cache via settings in your mobile. If still no connection, uninstall and reinstall the app for a clean start. Telegram servers can sometimes have outages. Check online status sites before troubleshooting. Ever struggled with connection drops? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.